ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 Today we will not chant because 7 o'clock I have to end the class. Puja here, Ganapati Homa is there. So directly we'll get into the class. Kugati Pradayaha, that's the topic. So, this sutra, Kugati Pradayaha, the words Kugati and Pradayaha. It's called Gati Samasa, Kusamasa. Kusamasa, Gati Samasa, Pradi Tatpurusha. All of Tatpurusha Samasa. The words Ku, not denoting the Prithvi. The words Ku in the Artha, Nindartha, Isa, Nindarte, etc. will combine with the Savantapadam from a compound, similarly Gati and Pradi. Now, this Gati and Pradayaha, sorry, Sanya. So this Sanya we need to know, and this is discussed in the chapter 1.4, beginning from Pragrishvara Nipathaha, 1.456 onwards. The last class we saw the first sutra, Pragrishvara Nipathaha, up to Adishvara, Prag Adishvarat. Adirishvare, Sutra 1497. Adirishvare iti asmat Prag. Nipada Sanyaha Bhavanti. And this is in Akadarat Ekasanya 147. 1414. It is 141. So Ekasanya Adhikara. And here, from starting from here up to 1497, whatever it is mentioned here in the First case, we get the Sanya Nipataha. What is Nipata? Swaradi Nipatam Avyayam. Nipatas are Avyayam. Swaradi Nipatam Avyayam. That is defined in the first chapter, first section. The words are the Swaradi Ganam and Nipatas are Avyayam. And the the word Nipata, we saw the last class where it is used. So in the Kugati Pradeha, Ku part is that we saw the changes happening to Ku. Kokatat Purushayachi and Vibhasha, Rata Vadayo, Rata Vadayoscha, Trinachachato, Kapatyakshayoho, and Rikpuraduf, Atha Manakshe. That is incidental. That is Samasanta Pratyaya. So those we have seen. Yes, the Pragrishwar Nipata also we saw the last class, and the Sanya Pradesha. Last class here we stop. The word Nipata, you can see the usage in these sutras. Right. So this is first sutra we saw. Then the next sutra. We'll continue. Chadayaha Asatve 1457. Chadayaha Asatve. There is Chadigara. There is a Gara, Ganapata, Chadayaha, Chadigara, Asatve. Asatve. Sattva means Dravya, substance. Asatve, if it is not a Dravya, then Chadayaha, words of the Chadigana, will get the Sanya Nipataha. Nipataha Saravyam. So in the Chadigana only we have the words Cha, etc. So all these are Aviya. They get Avya Sanya out. First they get Nipata Sanya and Nipata Saravyam. So Chadeyaha Asatve. When they are not a Dravya, Vachi, doesn't denote any substance. Dravya means substance. So Asatve. Na Satve Asatve. Prasajya Pratishedaha. Asatve. Nanj in the sense of Abhava. Sattvam iti Dravyam. Sattva is Dravya. Asatve. Prasajya Pratisheda it is. Prasajya Pratisheda. Then Paridasa Pratisheda, remember we have seen. So na Asatve. Yet Kashika says. Chadeyaha Nipata Sanyaha Bhavanti. Chadeyaha Nipata Sanyaha Bhavanti. Na Chet Satve Vartante. No Chet Satve Vartante. If it is not Sattva, then they get the, it doesn't denote any substance, doesn't refer to a substance, then they get the Sanya Nipata. And Nipatas are Avyaya. Na Sattve, Asatve, Na Sattvam, Asatvam, Asatve, Saptami. So Prasajya Pratishedaha. Negation. Here the negation is Prasajya Pratisheda. The na is used in two ways we have seen. Prasajya Pratisheda and Paridasa Pratisheda. Paridasa is Abrahmana Manaya. Remember? Abrahmana Manaya. That is Prasajya Pratisheda. That is Paridasa. Prasajya is Andrutam Navaktavyam. So here Prasajya. Okay. So Prasajya Pratisheda. Okay, anyway, just if you can remember it is okay. Otherwise, just note Prasajya Pratisheda, the negation, the nanj in the sense of abhava, in the sense of abhava, negative, abhavarte. Okay. The words cha and etc. they are called nipata, particles. It is considered as particles when they do not signify substances. Doesn't refer to any substance. द्रव्य अद्रव्यवाची सत्तमिति द्रव्यमुच्यते चादिगणे निर्दिष्टाः शब्दाः अद्रव्यवाचिनी अर्थे निपातसंज्ञाः संज्ञकाः भवन्ति. So the words which are nirdishtaha, which are mentioned in the chadigana in the sense of adravyavachini, except in the sense of adravyavachini, digati sanyas nipata sanyakaha bhavanti. चादिगणः इति कश्चन गणः गणपाठे पाठितः अस्ति. अस्मिन् गणे विद्यमानाः सर्वे शब्दाः अद्रव्यवाचिषु अर्थेषु निपातः इति संज्ञां स्वीकुर्वन्ति इति अस्य सूत्रस्य आशयः. अद्रव्यवाचिनी अर्थः द्रव्यमिति युक्ते भौतिकजगतः कश्चन पदार्थः सब्स्टेन्स्. भूता भौतिक भूता जातं भौतिकम्. So भौतिक जगतः कश्चन पदार्थः some substance, some objects. लिंगसंज्ञान्वितं द्रव्यम् इति अस्य शब्दस्य व्याख्या दीयते. Yes. लिंगसंज्ञाकारके अन्वितं द्रव्यम्. So this linga, gender, lingasangnyanvitam, just linga. It is endowed with linga. So dravyas iti asya shabdasya vyakya diyate. The interpretation given. What is dravyam is substance as got as linga, as opposed to guna and kriya. Kriya is action. Guna properties. Dravya, guna, kriya, sambandha, no, and the jati. They are seen Shabda Pravritti Nimitta. The words either should mean should mean dravya or guna or sambandha, kriya or jati. So here there is dravya is substance. It is that is got linga. Guna is also linga, but guna doesn't have any particular vishesha linga. It depends on the vishesha, so properties. So linga sanyanvitam dravyam iti. The vyakya diyate, the vyakya is interpretation given. So dravya has linga. This is not dravya, therefore there is no linga. Linga. Yasya vastuna lingam singam sanya is number 1, 2, many, ekavachanam, dvivachanam, bhagavachanam. Yasya vastuna, some vastuna substance which has linga, gender, and number, that is called dravya iti vyakya diyate. Etadrishan arthan vihaya, accepting in this, that is why prasajya pratisheda. Andrutam navaktavyam, accepting. The example prasajya pratisheda. Etan arthan vihaya, accepting in this sense. Anya artaha adravyavachina artaha namna jnayante. Other artha. Adravyavachina artaha, they are known by adravyavachina artaha. Eteshu adravyavachishu arteshu, in this adravyavachis artha, not that a dravyavachi, not denoting a substance. Chadiganasya shabdanam nipata sanya bhavati. The words of the Chadigana get to sanya nipata. And nipata, all nipatas are abhigam. Therefore, abhigam, cha, etc. abhigam. Some example is given here. Trini udaharani etani. Shukam iti kaschana shabdaha chadigane patitaha labhyate. Shuka, the word is there in the Chadigana. Shuka meaning parrot. That is not that is not Anipata, because it means parrot. Here, Shuka, which is read in the Chadigana, which means Shigram. Asya Shabdasya Artaha Shigram iti. अस्मिन् अर्थे अस्य शब्दस्य लिंगत्वं संख्यात्वं वा नैव विद्यते. What could be the gender for the word having the meaning quickly? Whereas Shuka, when we say gender is Pullinga, Shukaha, and Sankhya numbers are there. So that way we say Linga Sanjnadvitam Dravyamiti. Substance, Padartha. Whereas in the sense of Shigram, Shukam, the word is used. It is a Shukam, not Shuka also, Shukam. इत्युक्ते अतः अयं शब्दः अस्मिन् अर्थे द्रव्यवाची नास्ति. In this sense, it is not द्रव्यवाची. अतश्च अस्मिन् अर्थे अस्य शब्दस्य निपातसंज्ञा भवति. Because it is not द्रव्यवाची in this meaning, that is the meaning of शीघ्रं, quickly, therefore it has a संज्ञा निपाता. परन्तु शुक शब्दस्य द्वितीय एकवचनस्य शुकम् इति यत् रूपं तस्मिन् अर्थे द्रव्यत्वं पुल्लिङ्ग एकवचनं च वर्तते, अतश्च तस्मिन् अर्थे निपातसंज्ञा न भवति. Shuka, when you decline the Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachan Shukam, in that Tasmin Arte Dravyatvam Vartate, therefore it is not Ipat Sanya, it says. Similarly, Pashu. Chadigana, if you see, they put a lot of words in that. Long list. So you will see the word Shuka, etc. here. So it takes up just 3 examples and explains they are not Dravyavachi, Asatve, therefore Nipataha. Second example is giving, this is on the website one day. Pashu Shabda. Pashu iti chadikare vidyate. Asya iti api chadiganasya sadasya. One minute. Chadiganasya asya iti chadiganasya sadasya. Chadiganasya sadasya. Okay. So this Chadiganasya, this is also a part of the Chadigana. Asya dosh artho sambhavataha. It has got asya shabdasya do artho sambhavataha samyak tata jantuhu. Okay, I read from the word file. 2 meanings are possible, samyak as well as jantuhu. एताभ्यां जन्तुकस्मिन् अर्थस्य शब्दस्य द्रव्यत्वात् निपात संज्ञा न भवति. The sense, in the meaning of jantu is beings, then it will not get nipata संज्ञा. परन्तु सम्यक् अस्मिन् अर्थे अयं शब्दः अद्रव्यवाची अस्ति, therefore निपात संज्ञा भवति. Similarly, kutra is also an अन्य चादिगण शब्दः. प्रश्नार्थे यदा प्रयुज्यते तदा अद्रव्यवाचित्वात् तस्य निपात संज्ञा भवति. कुत्र means where. So therefore it is द्रव्यवाची. प्रश्नार्थे यदा प्रयुज्यते. परन्तु कुमं भूमिं त्रायते. Sorry, kum bhumim trayate. In this meaning, if it is used, kum bhumim trayate, compound, it's upapada samasa. Traidatoho, upapada is ku, kum is bhumi, we saw already ku is prithvi. Tu gati pradeha, there we saw ku, not in the meaning of prithvi. Kuchitarte, if it is used, then only samasa. Ku samasa. So ku meaning prithvi, kum means bhumim, trayate iti. Kum trayate iti. उपपद समास अस्मिन् विग्रहे तै धातुः आतोनुपसर्गे कः. By this sutra, ka pratyaya is added to the dhatu trai. So you get that, we will see later, don't worry about that. Ataha anupasarge kaha 3 to 3, by that ka pratyaya is added. Upavada samasa, we will see all those things. 3 to 3. 3 to 3, in fact, it is the section where we have the pratyaya added to the upapada. समासात् इति अनेन क प्रत्यये कृते यत् अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गं प्रातिपदिकं सिद्ध्यति तस्य निपातसंज्ञा न भवति. सो कुं त्रायते इति गेट् कुत्र कु प्लस् त्रै प्लस् क आतोरुपसर्गे कः by that you get ka. Trai become tra, and ka is a kit pratyaya, so tra a will go away. Then you will have takara and repa only, and in the pratyaya a will be left out. When you join, you get kutra. Okay, that is not important, just to note. Atonupasarge kaha iti ka pratyaya bhavati, because it is a kit pratyaya. And trai dhatu we know upadesha adesha upadesha ashiti, by that trai will become tra, and akara of the dhatu trai dhatu will go away and followed by kit pratyaya. So rule ato lopaha iti cha. Then ka pratyaya, when you have that content is a only, so you get kutra. Kutra iti akaranta pullinga shabda, that cannot enjoy nipata sanya. So idi prashnarte prayujyate chet nipata sanya bhavati. Okay, so 3 examples just giving. So these words are there, so we should not think these are dravyavachi. Such the more words are given here. All these are adravyavachi. Therefore nipata sanyaha sanyakaha bhavanti. Chadigarasya avalihi. List of words in the Chadigana. Pratyekam shabdasya sankshiptaha artaha api tena saha nirdishtah asti. Etesham anya artaha koshebhyah gnatavyaha. एवमेव एते शब्दाः वाक्येषु कथं प्रयोक्तव्याः इति तु शिष्टैः एव ज्ञेयम्. So the words and the meanings are given. It has other meaning also, which you have to refer only from the dictionary and also from the Shishta Prayoga. So these are the words. Common meanings are given. Cha, va, ha, it's a long one. Then just a note. So this is Chadigana. So first sutra, first is Nipata is assigned by the sutra Pragrishwara Nipataha. That is number 1. Nipata is, Sanya is assigned to the list of words in the section 1457 onwards. Then Chadeha gets the Sanya Nipataha Asatve Sati. The next one is Pradayaha. Pradayaha, it is there in Pradi, the Pradi Tat Purusha Pradayaha, that is a Pradi. So Pra, etc. And Asatve coming as Anuvrutti. Pradayaha Asatve, Ta Chadayaha Satve, Nipata Sanyaha Sanyakaha Bhavanti. Similarly, Pradayaha Satve, Nipata Sanyaka Bhavanti, and Nipatatvat, therefore Abhiyam, Saradi Nipatam Abhiyam. That is the connection. The words of the Pradigana are Nipataha, and therefore they are Abhiya. That is why Pradi, Prapara, etc. they are Abhiya. Generally, we say Upasarga. Upasarga only when Kriya Yoga. That is the next sutra. In a compound, there is no Kriya Padam. There is Kriya in a compound. In a compound, these words combine with a Subantam Padam. That is why it's called Pradi Tat Purusha Samasa. So Pradayaha Asatve, when they do not refer to their Dravya, Asatve, then they get the Sanya Nipata and therefore Abhiya. So therefore here also doesn't have any doesn't refer to any Padartha. So Pradayaha Asatve Nipata Sanya Bhavanti, Para, Apa, the rest of words which are given. And Pratak Yoga Karanam Uttara Sanya Visheshanartham. Upasargaha Kriya Yoga iti Chadinam Upasarga Sanyam Abhut Asatvetiva Parajayanti Sena. Okay. So the words. Why this Pradi Gana should be, why should be given separately? Why this can't be included in Chadayaha? Because Pratak Yoga Karanam. Yoga is Sutra. Separate mentioning of this, it's for Uttara Sanya Visheshanath. It is for the sake of Uttara, the later sutras. The Pradi alone gets Sanya Upasarga Kriya Yoga, not Chadi. So if we include it in Chadi, then we have problem. So that's why he says Chadi Nam Upasarga Sanya Mabu. The words of the Chadigana should not take Upasarga Sanya. Whereas Pradayaha can take Upasarga Sanya. Kriya Yoga. That is why Pratak Yoga Karanam Pratak Sutra Pasti. So the words pra, etc., they are nipata, provided they not denote, they do not denote substance, padartha. So these are the words para, para, ava, sam, anu, ava, nis, dus, vi, ang. Ang and all we have seen many places. At Kupmang, Nung, Devaya, Pi, that also ang. The ni, adhi, api, ati, su, ut, abhi, prati, pari, upa. And some more for that, that is also listed. Two or three more, Devartika. So the making of this separate sutra, distinct aphorism, when it could have well been included in the last means the Chadayaha. This for the sake of giving Pradaya, etc., two different sanya. One is Vipata and as well as Upasarga. So Pradayaha, they get the sanya Vipataha. And by the next sutra, it will get Upasarga. Under certain circumstances. What is the circumstance? When they are in association with verbs, Kriya Yoga. But not the words of the Chadika. That is why here this is mentioned. Pratak, this is sutra is separately given. When these words signifying substances, then they do not give the sanya. Nipataha, a counter example given. Parajayati Sena. Parajayati Sena. Para is Sat Dravyavachi Shabda here. Therefore, they doesn't get the sanya. Nipata. The word para is not a nipata here. Sena Jayati, army conquers. And what type of army? It's para. Para Sena Jayati. So para is the Dravyavachi Shabda, not a nipata. Therefore, not a nipata. Then next sutra, 1459. Upasargaha Kriya Yogi. And you can see the anuvritti of Pradayaha. So Pradayaha coming as anuvritti. Pradaya coming as anuvritti. So Pradayaha, the words of the Pradi, Gana, get a sanya Upasarga, Kriya Yogi. Pradayaha Kriya Yogi, Upasarga Sanya Bhavanti. Ita Pranayati. Nayati, Pranayati, Pranayati. Nattum also happens. Nattum happens by Sutra in 8-4 section. Prashabhyam Nonava Samana Pade. There are about 39 sutras, 39, 40 sutras are there where Nattum is ordained. And negation also it is there, of course. So Pranayati, Parinayati, Pranayakaha, Parinayakaha. Kriya Yoga iti kim, a counter example is given. Here Pranayakaha Deshaha, here it is not Upasarga. Pra is not Upasarga. Why? We'll see. Ragataha Nayakaha Asma Deshat, it's Bahuriki compound. Whereas here it is Pra plus Nayati. Prakarshena Nayati Pranayati. But here Pranayakaha is a compound. It's not Ragataha Nayakaha Asmat. Pra is in combination with Nayaka, Subanta, not with Kriya Pada. Therefore, Pra doesn't enjoy Upasarga. Because it is not Upasarga, Nattam also will not happen. It is explained below, we'll see. The words Pra, etc. get the Sanya Upasarga. When it is in composition, association with the verb, Kriya Yoga. Ita Pra plus Nayati, Pranayati. The Dantya Nakara is changed to Murdani Nakara. By what sutra? 8.4.14. You can check the sutra 8.4.14. Natva section. Sutra Pata, 8.4 section. That is incidental, not required now, but just we will see. 8.4. One is Rashabhyam, known as Samana Pade, up to 39. It's a Natva section. So here, the sutra is 8.4.14. Upasargat samase api nopadeshasya, by that sutra. Upasargat, the nimitta is in the upasarga. Repa, shakara, rikara. Asamase api, not in a compound. Nopadeshasya, by this sutra, apadanta dante nakarasya murdanya adesha bhavati. That is what the sutra says, 8.4.14. Upasargat. Nopadeshasya dhatoho. Nopadeshasya dhatoho. Nopadeshasya means what? What is mean by nopadeshaha? You know. What is nopadeshaha? Upadesha means?
Nakara is there in Upadesha.
Upadesha means dhatu pata.
Yeah.
That is, in the original form, Upadeshika Rupa. Upadeshika Rupa, if it is Murdanya Nakara.
No.
Right?
Yeah.
That is what Upadeshika. Then that dhatu alone. Okay, not any dhatu. Now, this ni dhatu is nij, right? This example here. That nayati from what is dhatu here? Dhatu is nij prapane, right? The Upadeshika dhatu. From that only we get ni, right? Therefore, this nij is Upadeshika dhatu. So, upasargat no padeshasya. Nakara, which is Upadesha, that nakara, because of, because of this nattam. Nattam is, what is nattam? Nonaha. Yata shaha saha. Datvadehe shaha saha. Datvadehe nonaha. And mudari nakara becomes nakara. That is why ni becomes ni, danti nakara. Right? That dante nakara again will become more than nakara because of the nimitta in the upasarga. So such nakara. The nakara in the upadesha, which is murdanya, by the sutra nonaha. I hope you remember nonaha, shahasaha, right?
Yes, sir.
What is nonaha? This nonaha. Tatvadehe nonaha by the sutra, upadeshas, nakara, which is in the upadeshika dhatu, that become mudanya, dante nakara. Again, dante nakara will become mudanya nakara by the sutra, which is 8.4 section. And the nimitta is in the upasarga. Okay. Tasya upasargastha nimittad uttarasya nakara adesh bhavati. Example, pranamati. Nam also it is more than a nam. Pranamati, parinamati, pranayakaha, all these are examples. Okay. Anyway, this is incidental. So therefore, nattam also happens. Therefore, pranayati. Upasarga. 8.4.14 is upasargat. See the sutram. The sutram is upasargat asamase api nopadeshasya. By that sutra. Simple. Now we can write, we can understand the sutra. Write our own vritti. So the sutra is simple. Just write the sutra, you can follow. So, upasargastad, repashkara karat, asamase api, nopadeshasya, nattam. Therefore, we have these words parinayati. So, the words of the Pradigana, Kriya Yoge, therefore, they get the sanya upasarga. So, pari, chal upasarga, none nattam happens. So, the upasarga is important, not nattam, that is incidental. So, Kriya Yoge upasarga. Pradi, Pradayaka get the sanya upasarga. Now, why do we say Kriya Yoge? Kashika says, Kriya Yoge tikim, because Pragataha Nayakaha Asma Deshat. Why does the word say, why the sutram say Kriya Yoga? Because example, counter example, Kashika Kara gives. Ragataha Nayakaha Asmadeshat Pranayakaha Deshaha. So here it is Pranaya Pranayati Pranayakaha. Here also you see Parinayati fine. Pranayakaha Pranayakaha Parinayakaha. You can see here also it is Pra is Upasarga. Therefore Nattam has happened. If that is so Pranayakaha, why not here? Why not here? Therefore, here he says,
It's a samasa.
Pranayakaha means leader, whereas Pranayakaha is a destitute of a leader. So both have these radical elements, that is pra. In one it is upasarga, in the other it is just a nipata. In one it is upasarga, in other it is a nipata. Means here it is not upasarga, it is just a nipata. Whereas here it is upasarga. Here if you take Pragataha Nayakaha, this Nayaka, there is Nayana Kriya, Ni Dhatu, Nayana Kriya. So, Prashabda is in association with the Nayana Kriya. Pranayakaha means Prakarshena Nayati iti Pranayakaha. Right? So, here in this example, Pra plus Nayati, Pranayati, Pra plus Nayakaha, here Nayati iti Nayakaha. So, Nayana Kriya. Nayana Kriya is there, therefore, Pra in association with the word which is which has the which is derived from dhatu. I mean, it has got nayana kriya. Therefore, pra becomes pra gets a sanya upasarga here. Whereas here pranayakaha is a compound where pra it is not in association with the nayana kriya. It has it has it has it doesn't have yoga association with the nayana kriya. Therefore, it will not enjoy upasarga sanya. Nayana, it is not connected to Nayana Kriya, whereas it is connected to what? It is connected to Gataha. Gam Gataha. Gamana Kriya. But Gamana Kriya, the Gataha is not there. In the compound, Gataha is Gam is not there. Therefore, there is no Kriya Yoga directly with the Gam. If it is here, it is Upasarga. Pra and Gamana Kriya Gataha, here it is Upasarga. But in the compound here, pra is not in association, yoga, with directly with pranayaka, indirectly with. Therefore, here it is pra is not upasarga, just get the sanya nipata. Understand? You follow? So that is a difference.
Yes,
It is given in the nyasa little elaborately. See, nyasa. Sorry, here. Nyasa. Long words. It is given. Yes. It's fine. Otherwise, I will write. Where's the line? Okay, anyway, let me write. So, in the Pragataha, Deshaha, Pragataha Nayakaha Smart. Atra Nayana Kriya. Nayana Kriya Saha Prashabdasya Yogaha Nasti iti Etoho. Because of this reason, Upasarga Sanya na bhavati. Simple. Nayana Kriya. So in the Pranayakaha, that is in the context of Pranayaka Deshaha. Pranayaka, not Pranayako, Pranayaka Desha. The context of Pranayaka Desha, the Nayana Kriya. Nayana Kriya is not connected with Pradi Nipata. If it is connected with Pradi Nipata, then Pradi will get Sanya Upasarga. Pradi Nipata Pra. So it is not connected with the Pradi Nipata Pra. Therefore, what happens? Therefore, Kriya Yoga condition. Upasarga Kriya Yoga condition not being fulfilled. Not being satisfied. So therefore, Pra doesn't get the Sanya Upasarga. Pra doesn't get the Sanya Upasarga.
This
Yeah.
Nayana Kriya is not connected with Pratinipada. Your written is connected with.
Nayana Kriya is
The context.
sorry. Context. Nayana Kriya is not connected.
Connected.
Yes, sorry. Not connected. Not connected with. Yes, not connected. So therefore, yeah, okay. There is one objection. Nanu cha atrapi can say Gami Kriya is there. Gami Kriya ya Yoga asti eva iti. It's from Vyasa only, but I'm not able to find where it is Vyasa. Gami Kriya ya saha Yoga asti eva iti syat. Tasya upasarga sanya. Tasya upasarga sanya. Nanu cha atrapi Gami Kriya ya Yoga asti eva iti syat. Tasya eva upasarga sanya. So an objection, that is, an objection is raised. Even here there is an association. Yoga is there with the yoga of association of Pra. pra with the kriya gam. Yeah, gam. Therefore, it should be. Therefore, it should be. Therefore, it should be upasarga. Therefore, you should get upasarga. Upasarga sanya. The objection. No. That is not accepted. Why? Na. Na etat asti. Not like this is not there. Why? Because kriya yoga, grahanam, ki eva. If that is so, kriya yoga grahanam eva, what will happen? Eva anarthakam bhavati. It becomes meaningless. Anarthakam syat. Then kriya yoga itself is not required. Just you can say pradeha pasargaha. That will do. Then why kriya yoga is there? This is not so. Because interpreting kriya yoga in this manner will be meaningless. Anarthakam syat. This manner would be. Therefore, it cannot be kriya yoga grahanam. Kriya yoga grahanam eva anarthakam syat if you say so. So if you ask why, katam, how do you say so? This must be in Nyasa. Okay, what I'm typing, meaning here. Nyasa. I'm checking the wrong sutra. That is why I'm not getting okay. Problem. Pradeha, upasarga. I should check the right place. Checking the wrong sutra. That's why I'm not able to. Okay. Yeah, you can see here. Manu, atrapi gamikriya yoge asatya iti syadeva tasya upasarga sanya na yetadasti. That's what I'm doing. Typing. Kriya yoga granam is it's all this typo. He eva anarthakam syat. Katam, how you say. This is what I'm typing. This is from wrong sutra. I'm looking for the Kashika. Sutra is upasarga kriya yoga. Okay. So from here only I was typing. Katam, how do you say? For that is answer given. Pradinam kriya yoga avyabhichara. Tasmat kriya yoga grahana samrityat yam prati kriya yuktaha pradeha tam prati gati upasarga sanyaha bhavanti na anyamasti. That is type and show. That copy this. Pradinam kriya vicharat na anyam prati. A lot of mistakes are there in this website. Nyasa commentary. Not only here, everywhere it is there. So Pradinam. Pradinam. Pradinam kriya yoga vicharat. Kriya yoga vicharat tasmat kriya yoga grahanam kriya yoga grahana samarthyat yam prati kriya yuktaha pradeyaha tam prati what? Tam prati upasarga. I'm just copying the website. Upasarga sanyakaha bhavanti na anyam prati. Tam prati gati. Sorry. Gati. Then upasargas sanyaha bhavanti na anyam prati. This is the pra etc. Why you say here it is because pra etc. Kriya yoga abhyabhichara should not be separated from that kriya. That's important. Pra etc. The pra should not be abhyabhichara. Abhyabhichara separation. Abhyavicharat. That is the reason. Abhyavicharat, Pradeha Upasarga Sanya, Pra Upasarga Pra Shabdasya Upasarga Sanya na bhavati. Where in the example, Pranayaka. Pra should not be separated. Vichara is separation. Should not be separated from their Kriya. Because it is separated from their Kriya, therefore doesn't get Upasarga Sanya. So should not be separated from Kriya with reference to which with reference to whichever Kriya this Radi is connected. This Radi is connected. With reference to that Kriya. With reference to whichever Kriya this Radi is connected. With reference to whichever Kriya the Radi is connected. Should not be connected from the Kriya with reference to whichever Kriya. This is one part. Then this Radi is connected. Pra should not be separated from the Kriya. So with reference to whichever Kriya the Pradi is connected with in the original Artha. With reference to whichever Kriya this Pradi is connected with, the Pradi is connected with reference to that. With reference to that Kriya alone, it is Kita Sanya Upasarga. Pradi will get Upasarga Sanya. Upasarga Sanya. Otherwise, no. That is the answer given. Tasmat Kriya Yoga Grava Samati Yam Prati Kriya Yuktaha. With reference to what the Pra is connected. Tam Prati Upasarga Sanya Bhavati. Gati Upasarga Sanya Bhavati. Gati comes from the next sutra. Na Anyam Prati. So here Pra is not connected to Nayana Kriya. The example, Pranayakaha. It is connected to Gamana Kriya. So therefore, Pra doesn't get the Sanya Upasarga. And therefore Gati also doesn't get the Sanya Gati also. Because Gati comes next to one. So Pra is just Nipata. Please note. The compound here it is. Pra is Nipata. Whereas here it is Upasarga. Right? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Now here the two articles are there. Article number 1. Marut Shabdasya cha Upasankhyanam Kartavyam. There is one. Marut Sanya. Okay, and Nyasa, okay. Further also it is that I just explained earlier. So okay, this part then be this part also I will write. Nachaiga Nayana Kriya. Then after that we will see Vartika. Nacha Iga in this example, Pragata Pranayakaha. Nacha Iga Nayana Kriya Yaktaha Prashabdaha. Kim Targi Gamana Kriya iti Nayatim Prati. Upasarga Sangha Navati. You can understand this. Iga here in this example, which example? That Pranayakaha Deshaha. Here, Pranayakaha Deshaha. In this Udaranam, this example, Pranayakaha Deshaha. The pra is not connected to, is not connected with Nayana Kriya. Then what? Kim Targi. Then what it is connected with? It is connected with Gamana Kriya. Therefore, doesn't get Upasarga Sanya. This is a good example, an important example. So when it gets Upasarga Sanya, when doesn't get upasarga sanya with reference. That also we have to say with reference to ayana kriya, it is not upasarga sanya. With reference to gamana kriya, it is upasarga sanya. Pragataha, when you say there, it is upasarga sanya. But here, pranayakaha is with reference to ayana kriya, it is doesn't enjoy upasarga sanya. Whereas pragataha, pra with upasarga, the pra upasarga with gam, there it is upasarga. But the compound here, it is not connected with the Nayana Kriya, therefore pra will not enjoy upasarga sanya. It should be connected directly. Should not doubt here it is not, here it is upasarga only. Prakataha, pra is upasarga. But not here. Because pra is connected to Gamana Kriya, not to Nayana Kriya directly. Therefore, pra in the compound will not get upasarga sanya. That is what Nyasa says. Sakara explains. Abhyabichara, that is a condition. Abhyabichara should not be separated from the respective Kriya. Okay, then two articles are Marut Shabda Situ Pasankyanam. Marut Shabda also should be included. Marut Shabda also should be included as what? Should be included as Pradi. They also Upasarga, Upasarga, not Pradi, Upasarga. They also should be included. Yes, they also should be considered. Marut. Like the example, Marut Bhir Dattaha. So Marut also is Upasarga. Anavartika user. Marut Bhir Dattaha. You get Maru Dattaha. Marut Bhir Dattaha, Maru Dattaha. Here Maru is Upasarga. Given by Marut. Maruttaha, the word is that. There Marut is, here Marut plus Taha. Marut Bihi. Compound is Marut Bihi, Tritiya, Dattaha from Dadatu. So Marut plus Da plus Ta Pratyaya, when you do, what happens? Da Ta Pratyaya, Kit Pratyaya. Therefore, this Da will become by the Acha Upasarga Taha, by the Sutra 7447. 7447. Again, that is not important, but I'll just quickly say what it says. Because the form Maruttaha we get to know. 7447. Acha Upasargat Taha, by the Sutra, it says Ajantat Upasargat. Upasarga ending with a vowel. Da iti asya gusingikasya. Da, you know, da dha ghuda. By that, da gets gusingya. So gusingikasya da dhatoho. Then what happens? Ta iti ayam adesha bhavati. Ta will get the adesha ta when takaradi kiti pratyaya pare. In the example, tha pratyaya follows, nishta pratyaya. So gusangika dhatu will be replaced by ta when Ajanta Upasarga is there. So Marut is Upasarga and Dadatu. Marut iti Ajanta Upasarga, Dadatu. Ta Pratyaya is there. Therefore, this Da will be replaced by what? Da will be replaced by Ta. Understand? Da will be replaced by.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Marut is not Ajanta.
Very good. I want you to ask. That's why I didn't say that. That's good. You asked this. Why it is Marut is not Ajanta? Here it should be treated as Ajanta. That's what here Kashika says. Sanya Vidana Samarthyat Anajantatve api iti. Even though it is not a Ajanta, but here it is given the Sanya Upasarga, Anajantatve api, the Sutra is applied. Okay.
Okay.
It's explained here. Marut is treated as an Upasarga, though it doesn't end with a vowel. Here it is a Na Ajantam, Ajantatvam, Na Ajantatvam, Anajantatvam, right?
Okay.
Even though it doesn't end with the vowel, but by the Sutra 7457, Ajanta Upasarga Uttarasya Dadatu Gusanyaka Dadatu Ta iti Ta Adesha Bhavati, right? takarah adesha bhavati. Takara, it's a takara. Right? Gusanya will get ta, not takara, ta adesha. So therefore, here it should be, because it is, the sutra says ajanta, therefore, even to anajanta api, the sutra will apply. Anajantatve api, sanya vidana samarthya. Sanya vidana is upasarga sanya. Because it is has been ordained upasarga sanya, anajantatve api, this sutra is applied. Iti tattvam bhavati. Tattvam means tattva bodha, truth. No. Tattva means ta will come, ta adesha will come. Tattvam, tattvam bhavati. Right?
It's not Vartika also, no?
Huh?
Is
By
it a
Vartik, by Vartika get upasarga sanya. Vartika
Okay.
says, Marushabdasya api upasankyanam. What upasankyanam? Upasargaha iti upasangyanam kartavya. The Maruta also enjoys a sanya upasarga. Even though it doesn't end with a vowel, still by this sutra 7447, anajanta api tattvam bhavati. Sanya vidana samarthya, because it has been ordained upasarga sanya, even though it doesn't end with a vowel, we will apply the sutra 7447 and replace the Gusangika dhatu by ta adesha. Understand?
Okay.
7447 says that takata will be the adesha in the place of da which enjoys a gusagya, which is preceded by upasarga ending with a vowel, and followed by pratyaya, which is a kit pratyaya. Here in this example, ishta pratyaya. It may be objected that marut doesn't end with the vowel. The sutra 7447 cannot be applied. So this we say, otherwise, given the designation of upasarga to marut is meaningless, right? In order that this should not be so, the fact of not ending vowel is overlooked. Okay, the answer. The question is answered. So even though it is not ending with a vowel, so that doesn't matter here. It is overlooked, and this 7447 is applied. Maruttaha you get.
So in the list of 22 upasargas, this Maruti is also included then.
Yes, Marutta also. Not only this, another one also is there. Shra also, Shraddha. That's the next Vartika.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Then Marudbir Dattaha, Maruttaha. Okay. Fine, yeah. Okay. Then by Jaro Jari Savarne, I think, when Takara can become Lopa. Alaha Jaro Jari Savarne, Vikalpena, Maruttaha Takara, because here this is not Takara, Ta Itayama Desha Bhavati. Tava Takara, 1 minute. 7447. Is Ta or Takara? Check. Takara, not Ta. Okay. Takara is the Adesh. Not Ta. Ta is a problem. It's Takara. Takaraha Adesha. Then only you will have Maruttaha. Okay. Here we can apply this. One Takara can go by Alaha Jaro Jari Savan. Otherwise, you will have one Maruttaha. Iti. Okay. Alaha Yamamimi Lopaha Alaha Jaro Jari Savane. Remember? It's at the end of the Tripa, this section 84. So Hal will follow. This is a jar letter followed by jar letter, and this is preceded by Hal. Therefore, one jar can become Lopaha. Therefore, Marutta you get. That is Vikalpa optionally. Anyatarasya. Dayaho Anyatarasya from that sutra comes as another thing. I hope you remember. Remember? No? Remember, it is okay. Very good. Otherwise, you can see later. Jaro Jari Savarne. All these are Sandhi. Once upon a time, you have seen. Long back. So, simple sutra. You can easily remember. It's not a big thing. 8-4 section at the end, we'll see. Alo Yamamimi Lopaha, Jayoho Anitarasya, then Alo Yamamimi Lopaha, then Jaro Jari Savarne. Here you can see. Alaha Yamamimi Lopaha, then Jaro Jari Savarne. Jar letter followed by Jar. Savarne Jar. And the jar, when it is preceded by a hal, then the jaraha, lopaha bhavati, anyatarasya, coming as anuvritti, yayoho anyatarasya, vikalpena. Therefore, maruttaha iti, the word comes. Okay.
Yes.
Anyway, that. So therefore, this is the reason why Sanya Vidana Samarthya, Anajante api, this 7447 is applied. Okay. So Marut is also Upasarga Sanya, be considered Upasarga Sanya. Next Vartikam is Shraddha. Shat Shabdasya, Shat also. Shraddha we get Shat plus Da. Shat is not listed in the Pradayaha, Pradigana. But in this Vartika, it gets Upasarga Sanya. Shat. Shat plus Da. Only with Da it will come, not any other word. Atascha Upasarge by this sutra. Iti Ang Bhavati Shraddha. Upasarga Pradeshaha. So Upasarga, okay. So Shraddha you get. The particle Shat also should be listed in the, should be included in the list of Upasargas. How you get Shraddha, the word? Only in the word Shraddha you have this Shat Upasarga, not in any other word. Shraddhana Purushaha. Comes in Gita. So Shat Dadana Purushaha. Very Shraddha, etc. Shad plus Dhadatu. Dhadatu alone it will come. Dadhana also Dhadatu. Shaddathana, form of the Dhadatu. Shad plus Da, then Ang Pratyaya. Ang Pratyaya by the Sutra, Atascha Upasarge. Akaranta Dhatu, when it is Upasarga, then Ang Pratyaya will come. Then Shad plus Da, after, you know what will happen after this, Shad plus Da will become Shadda. Takara, Dakara, Galam just Jashi, Shad, Da. You get. Okay. Shat is treated as a Upasarga, therefore 33106. 33106, and all we will see. We see the Upasarga, but anyway, quickly look at what is 33106. 33106, Krit section. So Ang Pratyaya is Krit Pratyaya. Says Akaranta Dhatus, Akarantebhyaha Dhatubhyaha. Upasarga Upapade. When Upasarga is Upapadam, then Striyam Vivakshayam Ang Pratyaha Bhavati. 33106. 33106 is under these three sections. Striyaviti coming as Anuvritti. Yes. Striyam is 3394. Shraddha, the word is Strilinga. So Striyam in the Strilinga Ang Pratyaya Bhavati. Okay. Striyam. Where is this in Sutrapata? If you see Sutrapata, there are some Krit Pratyayas which are this Strilinga. If we add like Tin Pratyaya, etc. So you will see that all those things we will see when we see Upasarga context. 3394. This is a section. Striyam. 3 sections. Striyam, Tin Pratyaha, Striyam, lot of Pratyas are the Strilinga Pratyas here. Okay, so here we have this sutra 33106 Atascha Upasarge. Shidvidadibhyaha Ang from 104 Ang Pratyaya coming as Anuvritti. And Atascha Upasarge, Akaranta Dhatu having Upasarga as Upapada, then Ang Pratyaha Bhavati. By this sutra, Ang Pratyaya is added. Okay. So you get the word Shraddha. This is how you get the word Shraddha. Right? Okay. Then the Shraddha is also another Upasarga. So 2 words. Marut, Shat. Then Gatischa, next sutra. Gatischa, Chakarat. So Gati, they get Gati Singha also. Next sutra, 1460. Gati Singhakahascha, Pradeha Bhavanti, Kriya Yoge. Pradi will get Upasarga Singha Kriya Yoge Gisa. The same Pradeha will get Gati Singha also Kriya Yoge. Why it is given like that? Upasargaha is Upasarga Sanya ordained to Pradeyaha in the context of not a samasa. If it is a there it is a kriya. Suppose in the compound, a subanta will combine with subanta. In that case, Pradeyaha will get the sanya gati. That is gatischa, he says. The word Pradi, etc. They also called, they enjoy the sanya gati. There we need definitely gati tat purusha. We don't have upasarga tat purusha. Okay. Upasarga, Pradeyaha get the sanya upasarga, kriya yogi. The same Pradeyaha get the sanya gati, kriya yogi for the purpose of forming compound, gati samasa. You'll see examples. The pra, etc., Pradeyaha get the sanya gati, kriya yogi. So now you see the example. Prakritya. Here, what is kritya? Kritya is
Level.
Lebanta, it is a krudatu plus twa pratyaya kritva. It is right. It is kritva. Pra should be upasarga, therefore kritva twa is replaced by lyap. Therefore you get prakritya. So unless it has upasarga sanya, you will not get prakritya, lyapadesha, right? So that itself shows pra is, not upasarga. In the sense it is, we just we say upasarga in the beginning for understanding, but it is a gati. So kru would have been prakritya, prakarshena kritva. That is what compound is, gati samasa. So kru dhatu, it is kritva, but when it is compound with the gati, by the sutra, kugati pradeyaha, the twa is replaced by lyap. Pra plus krit plus, in the beginning it was twa is replaced by lyap, and we know tukka kama comes by rasvasya piti kriti tuk. Remember 6177. Therefore prakritya, not prakritya. 6177 is rasvasya piti kriti tuk. So here pra is gati. Here it is gati samasa. And by 2 to 18, that is kugati pradeyaha, get gati sanya gati. And by applying 7137, what is 7137? Twa is replaced by lyap. That was 7137. Pra is replaced by lyap. You can see 7137. Asamase, samase, ananj. That twa lyap iti. Samase ananj purve should not be the compound. There should not be a nanj. Ananj purve twa lyap bhavati. Samase ananj purve twa ityasya lyap ayam adesha bhavati. The compound samase, therefore it is gati samasa. Pra is gati, getting sanya gati. So twa is replaced by lyap, and the nanj apurve should not be a nanj. Okay. If nanj is there, then twa will not be replaced by lyap. Okay, that way he says ananj purve. You can see the example. Akrutva. Na krutva akrutva. A is nanj. Ananj purve, twa will not be replaced by lyap. Ananj purve only twa will be replaced by lyap. Nanj purve, twa will not be replaced by lyap. Guru nahatva himahanubhavan. Gita is there. Gurun. Then what? Hatva, na hatva.
No.
Guru nahatva mahanubhavan sheyo bhuktum vaikshamapi haloke. Remember, Gurun.
Yes.
Hahatva, na hatva, ahatva. Nanj, that is called Nanj example. There, why twa is not replaced by lyap? Because Sutra says Ananj purve only. Therefore, twa remains. Okay.
Okay.
Understand, right, all of you? Follow?
Yes, Ji.
Okay. So, therefore, Ananj purve, by that sutra, it's a simple sutra that is not explaining. Will again, the context will come. At that time, we can write the sutra also. So, prakritya, the word is derived. Okay. So, here, pra, what sanya pra enjoys? Kritya is Subanta. Because Kritya is Avya. How it is Avya? Tvatosun Kasunaha, remember? Tvatosun Kasunaha Avyam. Where it is given Swaradinipatam Avyam. In the first chapter, first section, if you see, the list of Nipata coming as Avyam, Swaradinipatam Avyam. The Avyam goes as Anuvritti up to 41. Then Taditascha Asarva Vikti Avyam. Krinme Jantaha Avyam. Tvatosun Kasunaha what? Avyam. What is Tva? Tva means Pratyekane Tadanta Grahanam. Tva Shabdanta, Tva Pratyanta, Shabdas are Avyam. So Tva is, Tvanta is Avyam. What about Levanta? Levanta is also Tvanta only, right? Therefore, Avyaya. Avyams are, Avyam meaning indeclinable. So, therefore, Kritya is a Subanta. Avyam it is. So, Pra iti Gati Sangika Subantam Padam Kritya iti Avyaya. Avyayana. Avyam also Subanta. Avyam is, doesn't undergo any change. That's why Avyam. So, Krit plus Tva plus Su, suppose in a decline, will be Kritva. The form will not change. Therefore, Subantena Saka Samasyate, Samasaka Bhavati, Gati Samasaha. When Pra as a Gati is there, then Tva will be replaced by Lyap, therefore Prakritya you get. So here Pra enjoys Sanya, Gati. A compound we require the Sanya Gati. Understand? The compound we require a Sanya Gati. This is a Subanta. Whereas Pranayati, Pranamati, there it is not a compound. Why we say not a compound? Because Pra is Upasarga with a Kriya Padam. Compound is only between the two Subantas, right? Compound cannot be done with a Tinganta. Of course, some exceptions are there. That is, exceptions are exceptions. So, Pranamati, Pranayati, there it is not a compound. There Pra enjoys Upasarga Sanya. Here Pra enjoys Gati Sanya. Therefore, the compound is Gati Samasa. Understand? You compare with Pranayati. Pra plus Nayati or Namati, whatever it is. Pradeyaha Kriya Yogi Upasarga. Here Pradeyaha, not, it is Subantam Padam. Subantena Saga Samasyate Vaikugati Pradeyaha. Therefore, Pra being enjoys a Gati Sanya by the Sutra Gatischa. Therefore, this is a Gati Samara, Gati. Tat Purusha compound. Understand? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So Prakritya is the compound word, Samasa.
Prakarshena Krutva Prakritya iti. So, Gati Samas. We're going to see many examples.
It's Avyayam, Shanji. All Gati Samasas are.
It is Avyayam. Gati Prakritya is Avyayam. Prakritya is Avyayam. But all Gati Samas are Avyayam, you'll see. Okay.
Yes.
All Gati Samas are can it be Avyayam? We'll see that. Okay. See more example. So this Gatihi, you can see the word Gatihi going as Anuvritti up to which sutra? We are going to, now we are just learning the Sanya only. We are not got into the Gati Samasa. You can see 1-4. The word Gati going as Anuvritti 279. So we are going to see. Next one is important. Uryadi Chida Chesha. We are going to see. So we will see some example there. There it is away, of course. And similarly, many. So we will see whether it is all Gati is away. We'll see that. Okay. Now, Gatihi Cha, Yoga Vibhagaha, Uttarataha. Why this sutra? Uttaratra Gati Sanya Itasyat Upasarga Sanya Bhabut. So this should, the separation of this into two. The separate Yoga Vibhaga is dividing sutra into two, is for the sake of the following sutra. The Anuvritti of Gati runs to the later sutra and not Upasarga. Please note, Upasarga Kriya Yogi, Upasarga doesn't come as Anuvritti. Only Gatischa it is going as Anuvritti. Why it is given? Because Gati around going as Anuvritti, that is why The separation, the sutra is given separately. Yoga Vibhagaha Uttararthaha. Yoga Vibhagaha, that is, this Yoga Vibhagaha means the Sutra Vibhaga is Yoga Vibhaga. The succeeding sutra is Gati Adhikara 14 up to 1479. Gati Sanya is ordained. That is why Yoga Vibhaga is done. Yoga Vibhaga for the purpose of Uttararthaha, for the sake of the succeeding sutra. So, Uttaratra Gati Sanya eva itasyat Upasarga Sanya ma bhut. Because it is an Akara Deka Sanya. Where it is Upasarga Sanya, there it will not enjoy Gati Sanya. So, therefore, this sutra Gati is given separately for the purpose of ordaining Gati Sanya to the Pradayaha, where it doesn't enjoy Upasarga Sanya. And the Gati, the word goes as Sanvritti up to the Sutra 79, 1479, etc. Therefore, Uryadi, Chidachast, etc., they all have only one name, not Upasarga. That is why Yoga Vibhagaha Gatischa iti. Otherwise, this Gatihi could have been given here itself. Upasargaha Kriya Yoge Gatischa Upasargaha Gatihi Kriya Yoge. This division is why it is given, because Gati alone going as Anuvritti, not Upasarga. And not only that, Gati will not enjoy, Pradeha will not enjoy Upasarga Sanya in the subsequent sutra. Pradeha will enjoy Gati Sanya only, Kriya Yoge, the subsequent sutra. That is why Yoga Vibhagaha is done. Sutra Vibhagaha, Sutra, separation of one aphorism into two. Gatischa, Gatischa, Gatihi cha, Gatischa. Gati alone going as Anuvritti. Right, not Upasarga. Gatischa Kriya Yoge Pradeha Bhavat. Gatischa Pradeha Kriya Yoge Gatihi. Gatihi, Gati Sanya Bhavati. Pradi also cha Kriya Yoge will get Gati Sanya. Pradi also will Pradi Kriya Yoge Gati Sanya api bhavanti. Okay. So therefore, from 60 up to 79, Gati alone going as Anuvritti. Gati, the word is understood in all the sutra, not Upasarga. Upasarga stops here. Upasarga is Pradeha Kriya Yoge Upasargaha. Pradeha Kriya Yoge Gatischa. Right? The same Pradeha Kriya Yoge Upasargaha. That is only one sutra. The rest of the sutra defines Gati. Pradeha Kriya Yoge Gatihi. So this Yoga Vibhaga, the Sutra Vibhaga, it is done for the sake of succeeding sutra. Uttararthaha Yoga Vibhaga. Uttaratra Gati Sanya Evasyat, Upasarga Sanya Mahabhut. That is why it's given separately. Okay. And we'll stop here. 7 o'clock now, I have to go. So, this chapter we have read. Then 1461, important sutra. Uryadi Chvi Dachascha. So, Uri Shabda and Chviyanta and Dajanta Shabda. Yeta Sanya Gati. Gati Samasa. So, we will see Uri Kritya, Urari Kritya, etc. So, Gati compound. In the next class, we will see. So, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad Shivji.
Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad Sharji.